Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is gonna be about the 12-volt battery from this Toyota Yaris Hybrid. Now, even though this hybrid has a large battery to drive the car, it also have a small regular 12-volt battery which will run the regular appliances which you can find on a normal car, like the engine electronics, the computer, the fan, the lights, and so on. Now, if you look on the side of the engine, you're not gonna find any alternator, and that's because the hybrid battery is actually charging the small 12-volt one. So for example, when you use a scan tool and you watch the battery voltage going down, you'll never see it under 11.7 volts. That's because at that point the hybrid battery will charge it up, and that's done automatically. So to get access to both batteries, we need to go on the passenger side on the back seats and take out the rear seats. Now this can be a little bit difficult, but all you have to do is to pull up from the front here. And as you can see, this metal ring will go inside this plastic tub. So that's how it comes out. There is no specific method. You can also try to make it easier by spraying some WD-40 here. Then from back here, you need to press and release it. You've got here some metal hooks. Okay, so as you can see on both sides, this one will go under this metal hook here, and then you press it here and then it will come out. And here they are, the hybrid battery and the small 12-volt battery. So now the first step is to take out this plastic cover. You've got here on the side two clips. Let's take them out. Okay, with some sort of needle it will come out a lot easier. Okay, just like that, and they are not damaged. On the bottom here you need to lift this one and press this down, and then it will disconnect, and here it comes. The battery is small and it doesn't have too many cold cranking arms, since this is not the one which will start the engine, so it's not required to have a very high cold cranking arms. However, it still has like 272, so I'm gonna do a quick test. So this one have 35 amp hour and 272 cold cranking amps. This is the maximum this battery can deliver. In the corner here we've got the code GIS. This is for Japan. From the menu I will choose GIS. Okay. And we have 161 cold cranking amps, which is basically half of the original spec. So all you need is a 10mm with some extensions, and let's open up first this bracket. And now the battery can move in here. Let's disconnect the positive. We got a 10mm right here. From this point, make sure that the socket doesn't touch the frame of the car. Even though you remove this terminal from the battery, it's a good idea to still not connect it yet on the frame of the car. Now for this one, we're gonna need a short 10mm. Okay, now let's insert the new battery. I want to also put this plastic cover. Okay. Let's see, this bracket goes here. Let's first connect the positive side. And let's put the negative as well. Let's try it from one move. And here we go, guys. The battery is solid in here and replaced. So this has to be the reverse process. And place the clips. Okay. Alright, so now let's see if we have to register the battery change. Now the scan is over, and as you can see, this car has absolutely no problem. Let's go back, go to maintenance, and let's see about the battery. Okay, start. Let's see, Asia, Toyota. As you can see, this car doesn't need such thing because they are all referring to the hybrid battery, which I didn't touch. So we are all good. Alright, so that's how we replace the regular 12 volt battery from this Yaris Hybrid. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.